It's not very easy.
Why do you think Ogaden belongs to you?
Well, not. I didn't say this. You said for me, but Ogadens are Somalis. They are not Amhara. They are not other tribe. They are not other origin. That is their origin. Therefore, it's not crime to be Ogaden. No, Ogaden are Somalis. Therefore, that your origin is 1x, name XY. It's not a crime. What's crime is to do wrongly on the other side. I didn't say to them we have no territorial ambition on Ethiopia, no. But we want to be safeguard the interest of this, our people, because they are our people. Same thing has happened to Kenya, and Kenya have given hell of facilities to this bubble. They are not running away. They are not coming to us. They stop. They want to have back what we have as a refugee in our country. This is what Kenya did. That if Mengistu could do that, it's no problem.
En armé på 100 000 man kostar Somalia över $40 miljoner om året. USAs militära bistånd räcker inte långt.